Halo teman-teman, jumpa lagi dengan saya Joe di SEF Speaking English Fluently atau berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan lancar. Untuk yang baru bergabung, saya ucapkan selamat bergabung dan ayo kita belajar bersama-sama untuk meningkatkan kemampuan kita berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan kaidah yang benar. Dan jangan lupa di subscribe supaya kalian dapat terus mengikuti update dari channel ini. Untuk yang sudah bergabung, mohon dibantu like dan share-nya ke teman-teman kalian supaya lebih banyak yang tahu channel ini dan dapat belajar bersama-sama kita. Ditunggu saran dan usulan kalian di kolom komen supaya channel ini makin disukai dan berkembang. Demikian juga jika ada pertanyaan-pertanyaan seputar pembahasan, jangan segan-segan tanyakan di kolom komen. Saya akan usahakan untuk segera membalasnya. Oke guys, langsung saja kita bahas topik kita kali ini yaitu preference. Preference dalam bahasa Inggris merupakan ungkapan pilihan atau pendapat yang lebih disukai seseorang tentang benda, kegiatan, orang, dan yang lainnya. Preference dapat diungkapkan melalui beberapa kata seperti would rather, would prefer, had better, prefer, dan like, yang artinya semuanya adalah lebih suka. Kita bahas tentang would rather terlebih dahulu. Ketika si pembicara mengungkapkan pilihannya atas sesuatu, maka dia menggunakan subject plus would rather plus verb one, digunakan untuk menceritakan masa kini dan masa yang akan datang. Would rather bisa disingkat menjadi I'd rather. Contohnya, I'd rather, you'd rather, we'd rather, they'd rather, he'd rather, she'd rather. Contoh dalam kalimat, I'd rather stay at home than go out right now. I'd rather stay at home than go out right now. Saya lebih suka tinggal di rumah daripada pergi keluar sekarang. You'd rather speak English than French. You'd rather speak English than French. Anda lebih suka berbicara bahasa Inggris daripada bahasa Perancis. Jika kita mengatakan atau mengucapkan sesuatu di masa lampau, maka kita gunakan subjek would rather plus have plus verb 3. I'd rather have stayed at home than have gone out last night. Supaya tidak terjadi pengulangan, have yang kedua boleh kita hilangkan. I'd rather have stayed at home than gone out last night. Saya lebih suka tinggal di rumah daripada keluar tadi malam. Gio would rather have stayed in my house than gone home. Gio would rather have stayed in my house than gone home. Gio lebih suka tinggal di rumahku daripada pulang. Ketika si pembicara mengungkapkan keinginannya atas perbuatan orang lain, maka tinggal kita selipkan objeknya. Subject plus would rather plus objek, tetapi kita tidak lagi menggunakan verb one, walaupun untuk masa kini dan masa yang akan datang, tetapi kita gunakan verb to jika ada objek di dalamnya. I'd rather you give up smoking. I'd rather you give up smoking. Saya lebih suka Anda berhenti merokok. Would you rather I wasn't honest with you? Would you rather I wasn't honest with you? Apakah Anda lebih suka saya tidak jujur dengan Anda? Jadi di sini tidak lagi memakai am not, tetapi memakai was not atau wasn't. Jika kita membicarakannya tentang masa lampau, maka subject plus would rather plus object plus had plus verb 3. I'd rather you hadn't lied to me about your school marks yesterday. I'd rather you hadn't lied to me about your school marks yesterday. Saya lebih suka kamu tidak berbohong kepada saya tentang nilai sekolah kamu kemarin. I'd rather you hadn't rung me at work. I'd rather you hadn't rung me at work. Saya lebih suka Anda tidak menelpon saya di tempat kerja. Bentuk negatifnya, tinggal kita selipkan not di belakangnya would rather, tetapi bukan di belakangnya would. Jadi bukan would not rather atau wouldn't rather, tetapi would rather plus not. Jadi kalimat she wouldn't rather you phone after 10 o'clock itu salah. Yang benar adalah she'd rather atau she would rather you didn't phone after 10 o'clock. She'd rather you didn't phone after 10 o'clock. Dia lebih suka Anda tidak menelpon setelah jam 10. I'd rather not go out tonight. I'd rather not go out tonight. Saya lebih suka tidak keluar malam ini. I'd rather you didn't go out tonight. I'd rather you didn't go out tonight. Saya lebih suka Anda tidak keluar malam ini. Jawaban singkatnya adalah I'd rather not. Would you like to have coffee with me? Would you like to have coffee with me? Apakah Anda ingin minum kopi dengan saya? I'd rather not if you don't mind. I'd rather not if you don't mind. Saya lebih suka tidak jika Anda tidak keberatan. Shall I ask him to call you back? Shall I ask him to call you back? Apakah haruskah saya memintanya untuk menelpon Anda kembali? I'd rather you didn't. I'd rather you didn't. Saya lebih suka Anda tidak melakukannya. Kita lanjutkan. Bentuk pertanyaannya tinggal would-nya kita letakkan di depan. Would plus subject plus rather. Would you rather marry Brad Pitt or Johnny Depp? Would you rather marry Brad Pitt or Johnny Depp? Apakah Anda lebih suka menikah dengan Brad Pitt atau Johnny Depp? I would rather marry Johnny Depp than Brad Pitt. I like his act. I would rather marry Johnny Depp than Brad Pitt. I like his act. Saya lebih suka menikah dengan Johnny Depp daripada Brad Pitt. Saya suka aktingnya. I would rather not marry either. I would rather marry David Beckham. I would rather not marry either. I would rather marry David Beckham. Saya lebih suka tidak menikahi keduanya. Saya lebih suka menikah dengan David Beckham. Would you rather be a bird or a dolphin? Would you rather be a bird or a dolphin? Apakah Anda lebih suka menjadi burung atau ikan lumba-lumba? I would rather be a bird than a dolphin because I don't like fish. I would rather be a bird than a dolphin because I don't like fish. Saya lebih suka menjadi burung daripada lumba-lumba karena saya tidak suka ikan. I would rather not be either. I would rather be a cat. I would rather not be either. I would rather be a cat. Saya lebih suka tidak menjadi keduanya. Saya lebih suka menjadi kucing. Would you rather stay at home? Would you rather stay at home? Apakah Anda lebih suka tinggal di rumah? Would they rather do homework tomorrow morning? Would they rather do homework tomorrow morning? Apakah mereka lebih suka mengerjakan PR mereka besok pagi? Would you rather I didn't tell you the truth? Would you rather I didn't tell you the truth? Apakah Anda lebih suka saya tidak mengatakan yang sebenarnya? Would you rather her sister flew home tomorrow? Would you rather her sister flew home tomorrow? Apakah Anda lebih suka saudara perempuannya terbang pulang besok? Ingat, jika kita sisipkan objek di dalamnya, maka berubah menjadi verb to. Would you rather he came with us to the meeting? Would you rather he came with us to the meeting? Apakah Anda lebih suka dia ikut dengan kita ke pertemuan itu? Would rather juga bisa diikuti oleh or yang digunakan untuk menanyakan pilihan. Would you rather eat here or go out? Would you rather eat here or go out? Apakah Anda lebih suka makan di sini atau keluar? Would you rather study or watch TV? Would you rather study or watch TV? Apakah kamu lebih suka belajar atau nonton TV? Ingat, would rather diikuti oleh verb 1 atau verb 2 jika kita sisipkan di objek di tengahnya. Tetapi would rather tidak akan diikuti oleh to dan kata kerja atau kata kerja yang diingkan. Contohnya, would rather to eat tidak akan ada. Demikian juga dengan would rather eating. Yang ada would rather eat. Oke, kita lanjutkan. Would prefer. Jika si pembicara mengungkapkan pilihannya sendiri atas sesuatu, subject plus would prefer plus to plus verb 1 untuk masa kini dan masa yang akan datang. I'd prefer to watch TV rather than to do shopping. To-nya bisa kita hilangkan, to yang kedua, untuk supaya tidak terjadi pengulangan. I'd prefer to watch TV rather than do shopping. Saya lebih suka menonton TV daripada berbelanja. I would prefer to live in a warm country rather than in a cold country, in a cold city. I would prefer to live in a warm country rather than in a cold city. Saya lebih suka tinggal di negara yang hangat daripada di kota yang dingin. Untuk masa lampau, kita gunakan have plus verb 3. Subject plus would prefer plus to plus have plus verb 3. I prefer to have been born someone else. I would prefer to have been born somewhere else. Saya lebih suka dilahirkan di tempat lain. Ketika si pembicara mengungkapkan keinginannya atas perbuatan orang lain, tinggal kita selipkan objek di dalamnya. Tetapi ingat, sebelum verb 1 harus ada to, yaitu infinitive. Subject plus would prefer plus object plus to plus verb 1 untuk masa kini dan masa yang akan datang. I prefer my son to live with me rather than live abroad. I prefer my son to live with me rather than live abroad. Saya lebih suka anak saya tinggal bersama saya daripada tinggal di luar negeri. Andy would prefer to phone me rather than to send WhatsApp. Andy would prefer to phone me rather than send WhatsApp. Andy lebih suka untuk menelpon saya daripada mengirim WhatsApp. Untuk masa lampau kita gunakan subject plus would prefer plus object plus to plus have plus verb 3. I would prefer your daughter to have accepted my apology rather than ignored me last night. I would prefer your daughter to have accepted my apology rather than ignored me last night. Saya lebih suka putri Anda menerima permintaan maaf saya daripada mengabaikan saya tadi malam. Kita lanjutkan. Bentuk negatifnya adalah subject plus would prefer plus not plus to plus verb 1. I'd prefer not to answer that question. I'd prefer not to answer that question. Saya lebih suka tidak menjawab pertanyaan itu. She'd prefer not to go to class today. She'd prefer not to go to class today. Dia lebih suka tidak masuk kelas hari ini. Bentuk pertanyaan tinggal would-nya kita letakkan di depan. Would plus subject plus prefer plus to plus verb 1. Would you prefer to go out for dinner tonight? Would you prefer to go out for dinner tonight? Apakah Anda lebih suka pergi keluar untuk makan malam ini? Would they prefer to stay in New York for the week? Would they prefer to stay in New York for the week? Apakah mereka lebih suka tinggal di New York dalam minggu itu? Perhatikan perbedaan menggunakan antara would rather dan would prefer. Brian would rather play football than watch television. Brian would rather play football than watch television. Brian would prefer to play football rather than watch television. Brian would prefer to play football rather than watch television. Yang artinya sama. Brian lebih suka bermain sepak bola daripada menonton televisi. Kalimat yang kedua, I'd rather that you come another time. I'd rather you came another time. I'd rather you came another time. I'd prefer you to come another time. I'd prefer you to come another time. Yang artinya, saya lebih suka Anda datang lain waktu. Contoh yang ketiga, she would rather that he weren't so angry. She would rather he weren't so angry. She would rather he weren't so angry. She would prefer him to be less angry. She would prefer him to be less angry. Yang artinya dia lebih suka dia tidak terlalu marah. What would you rather do instead? What would you rather do instead? What would you prefer to do instead? What would you prefer to do instead? Apa yang akan Anda lebih suka lakukan? Kita lanjutkan. Had better. Kita gunakan had better ketika kita memberi saran ke orang lain yang artinya lebih baik, hampir mirip dengan should yang artinya sebaiknya. subject plus had better plus verb 1. Ingat, had better juga termasuk dalam modals. Had better bisa disingkat menjadi I'd better. I'd better, you'd better, we'd better, they'd better, he'd better, atau she'd better. Contoh dalam kalimat, you'd better watch your steps. You'd better watch your steps. Anda sebaiknya memperhatikan langkah Anda. She'd better listen to you. She'd better listen to you. Dia sebaiknya mendengarkan Anda. It's getting late. I'd better go. It's getting late. I'd better go. Ini sudah larut. Aku lebih baik pergi. You'd better study Dutch regularly. You'd better study Dutch regularly. Anda sebaiknya belajar bahasa Belanda secara teratur. I'd better tell the truth. I'd better tell the truth. Lebih baik aku mengatakan yang sebenarnya. Bentuk negatifnya tinggal kita tambahkan not setelah had better. Subject plus had better plus not plus verb 1. I'd better not answer that question. I'd better not answer that question. Saya lebih baik tidak menjawab pertanyaan itu. You'd better not go to there. You'd better not go to there. Anda sebaiknya tidak pergi ke sana. Kita lanjutkan. Prefer. Gunakan simple present dengan prefer untuk menyatakan lebih suka. Prefer plus to plus verb 1. I prefer to live in a village than in a city. I prefer to live in a village than in a city. Saya lebih suka tinggal di desa daripada di kota. My friend prefers to finish his chores early in the morning. My friend prefers to finish his chores early in the morning. Teman saya lebih suka menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya pagi-pagi sekali. Prefer juga bisa diikuti oleh noun, kemudian to, dan noun lagi. My brother prefers football to tennis. My brother prefers football to tennis. Saudara laki-laki saya lebih suka sepak bola daripada tenis. Ingat, jika kita menggunakan prefer, kita tidak menggunakan than untuk daripadanya, tetapi kita menggunakan to. Hanya diterjemahkan sama dalam bahasa Indonesia dengan daripada. My son prefers pizza to hamburger. My son prefers pizza to hamburger. Anak laki-laki saya lebih suka pizza daripada hamburger. Prefer juga bisa diikuti oleh kata kerja yang diingkan, kemudian diikuti oleh to, dan diikuti kemudian dengan verb 1 ing lagi. Ryan prefers walking to riding a car. Ryan prefers walking to riding a car. Ryan lebih suka jalan kaki daripada naik mobil. I prefer swimming to jogging. I prefer swimming to jogging. Saya lebih suka berenang daripada lari pagi. Untuk kalimat pertanyaan, kita gunakan do atau does karena prefer digunakan untuk simple present. Kemudian diikuti oleh subject dan prefer. Does she prefer tea or coffee? She prefers tea to coffee. Does she prefer tea or coffee? She prefers tea to coffee. Apakah dia lebih suka teh atau kopi? Dia lebih suka teh daripada kopi. Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? Mana yang kamu lebih suka, teh atau kopi? I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. Saya lebih suka kopi daripada teh. Which do you prefer to drink, tea or coffee? Which do you prefer to drink, tea or coffee? Anda lebih suka minum apa, teh atau kopi? I prefer to drink tea than coffee. I prefer to drink tea than coffee. Saya lebih suka minum teh. Sorry, ini nggak memakai than, tetapi to. I prefer to drink tea to coffee. Saya lebih suka minum teh daripada kopi. Kita lanjutkan. Like. Gunakan simple present dengan like untuk menyatakan lebih suka. Subject plus like plus nouns plus better than plus nouns. Atau boleh juga dengan verb 1 ing. I like apples better than bananas. I like apples better than bananas. Saya lebih suka apel daripada pisang. I like mountains better than beaches. I like mountains better than beaches. Aku lebih suka gunung daripada pantai. John likes KFC better than McD. John likes KFC better than McD. John lebih suka KFC daripada McDonald's. Subject plus like plus verb 1 ing better than verb 1 ing. I like reading better than watching movies. I like reading better than watching movies. Saya lebih suka membaca daripada menonton film. She likes singing a song better than playing a guitar. She likes to singing a song better than playing a guitar. Dia lebih suka menyanyikan lagu daripada bermain gitar. I like swimming better than jogging. I like swimming better than jogging. Saya lebih suka berenang daripada lari pagi. Untuk kalimat pertanyaan, kita menggunakan do atau does plus subject plus like. Do you like music better than sport? Do you like music better than sport? Apakah Anda lebih suka musik daripada olahraga? Does she like singing better than dancing? Does she like singing better than dancing? Apakah dia lebih suka menyanyi daripada menari? Perhatikan perbedaan-perbedaan kalimat berikut. Jika gunakan rather, maka diikuti oleh verb 1 dan pembandingnya dengan than. I'd rather do something than take a sleep. I'd rather do something than take a sleep. Jika kita gunakan would prefer, maka kita selipkan to sebelum kata kerjanya dan diikuti pembandingnya dengan rather than. I'd prefer to do something rather than take a sleep. I'd prefer to do something rather than take a sleep. Jika kita menggunakan had better, maka sama dengan would rather, kita gunakan verb 1 dan pembandingnya juga sama than. I'd rather do something than take a sleep. Dengan catatan, singkatannya sama, I'd rather, I'd better, tetapi I'd rather adalah kependekan dari I would rather, sedangkan I'd better adalah kependekan dari I had better. I prefer doing something to taking a sleep. I prefer doing something to taking a sleep. Jika kita gunakan prefer, maka kita bisa gunakan to atau verbnya kita ingkan dan disertai dengan to, kemudian verb yang berikutnya. I prefer doing something to taking a sleep. I like, jika kita gunakan like, maka juga kita gunakan gerund atau verb 1 yang kita tambah dengan ing. I like doing something better than taking a sleep. Kita gunakan pembandingnya dengan better than. I like doing something better than taking a sleep. Semua ini artinya sama, yaitu saya lebih suka melakukan sesuatu daripada tidur. I'd rather do something than take a sleep. I'd prefer to do something rather than take a sleep. I'd better do something than take a sleep. I prefer doing something to taking a sleep. I like doing something better than taking a sleep. Oke, kita lihat contoh yang kedua. I'd rather stay with you. Rather disertai dengan verb 1. I'd rather stay with you. I'd prefer to stay with you. Would prefer diselipin dengan to atau kita gunakan infinitive, yaitu verb 1 yang disertai dengan to. I'd prefer to stay with you. I'd better stay with you. Sama dengan I'd rather, hanya singkatannya I had better. I'd better stay with you. I prefer to stay with you, boleh, atau kita gunakan gerund. I prefer staying with you. I prefer to stay with you atau I prefer staying with you. Jika kita gunakan like, maka wajib digerundkan. I like staying with you. I like staying with you. Yang ini artinya sama, yaitu aku lebih suka tinggal bersamamu. I'd rather stay with you. I'd prefer to stay with you. I'd better stay with you. I prefer to stay with you. Atau I prefer staying with you. I like staying with you. Kita lanjutkan. Contoh dalam percakapan. Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? Apakah kamu mau pergi ke bioskop malam ini? I would rather go shopping. I would rather go shopping. Saya lebih suka pergi berbelanja. Okay, would you like to have some Japanese food? Okay, would you like to have some Japanese food? Okay, apakah Anda mau makan masakan Jepang? No, I just ate Japanese food yesterday. I would prefer eating Chinese food. What do you think? No, I just ate Japanese food yesterday. I would prefer eating Chinese food. What do you think? Tidak, saya baru saja makan makanan Jepang kemarin. Aku lebih suka makan masakan Cina. Bagaimana menurut kamu? That's fine. I like noodle offered in that restaurant over there. That's fine. I like noodle offered in that restaurant over there. Tidak apa-apa, aku suka mie yang ditawarkan di restoran yang di sana itu. Same with me. I often order delivery from that restaurant, but I prefer the dim sum. Same with me. I often order delivery from that restaurant, but I prefer the dim sum. Sama denganku, aku sering memesan pengiriman dari restoran itu, tetapi aku lebih suka dim sumnya. Okay, let's go there. Oke, ayo kita pergi ke sana. Contoh percakapan yang kedua. Let's go out tonight. Let's go out tonight. Mari kita pergi keluar malam ini. That's good idea. That's good idea. Ide yang bagus. How about going to movie? How about going to a movie? There's a new horror film. There's a new horror film. How about going to a movie? How about going to a movie? There's a new horror film. Bagaimana kalau pergi ke bioskop? Ada film horor baru. I'd rather go out for dinner. I'm hungry. I'd rather go out for dinner. I'm hungry. Aku lebih suka pergi keluar makan malam. Saya lapar. Okay, which restaurant would you prefer? Okay, which restaurant would you prefer? Okay, restoran mana yang Anda lebih suka? I prefer to eat at Johnny's. They serve great steaks. I prefer to eat at Johnny's. They serve great steaks. Saya lebih suka makan di Johnny. Mereka menyajikan steak yang enak. Oke, semoga dimengerti. Jika masih belum, kalian bisa ulangi videonya. Setelah itu, kalian bisa mengikuti latihan-latihannya. Oke, kita lihat jawaban number 1. Jennifer rather stayed home for dinner tonight. Sorry Jennifer, tidak bisa disingkat menjadi rather seperti itu kalau namanya orang, tetapi harusnya Jennifer would rather stay home for dinner tonight. Jennifer lebih suka tinggal di rumah untuk makan malam ini. I think I'd prefer to play chess today. I think I'd prefer to play chess today. Saya pikir saya lebih suka bermain catur hari ini. Ingat, I would prefer harus diikuti dengan to sebelum verb 1. Would you rather I left you alone? Would you rather I left you alone? Apakah Anda lebih suka saya meninggalkan Anda sendirian? Jika ada objek di tengahnya, maka kita gunakan verb to untuk would rather. Would you rather I left you alone? I'd rather the students study for their test. I'd rather the students study for their test. Aku lebih suka para siswa belajar untuk ujian mereka. Sorry, ini juga karena ada the student, maka kita gunakan studied. I'd rather the students studied for their test. Verb 2. Peter prefers to relax atau relaxing at home on the weekend. Peter prefers to relax at home on the weekend atau Peter prefers relaxing at home on the weekend. Yang artinya Peter lebih suka bersantai di rumah pada akhir pekan. Number 6. Do you prefer coffee to tea? Do you prefer coffee to tea? Ingat, prefer tidak membedakan dengan than tetapi memakai to. Do you prefer coffee to tea? Apakah Anda lebih suka kopi daripada teh? I think I'd prefer to drive to California. I think I'd prefer to drive to California. Saya pikir saya lebih suka mengemudi ke California. Would you rather go to the club or go to the beach? Would you rather go to the club or go to the beach? Apakah Anda lebih suka pergi ke klub atau pergi ke pantai? Di sini asking for a choice, meminta pilihan. Number 9. He'd rather work all day than go to the beach. He'd rather work all day than go to the beach. Dia lebih suka bekerja sepanjang hari daripada pergi ke pantai. Di sini make a specific choice, membuat pilihan tertentu. Number 10. My friend prefers Japanese food to American food. My friend prefers Japanese food to American food. Teman saya lebih suka makanan Jepang daripada makanan Amerika. Kita lanjutkan dengan exercise yang berikutnya. Oke, kita lihat jawabannya number 11. Saya lebih suka kopi daripada teh. Di sini kalian diminta untuk menggunakan like. I like coffee better than tea. I like coffee better than tea. Bill lebih suka tidak menyelenggarakan pesta daripada punya pesta yang membosankan. Memakai would rather. Bill would rather not hold a birthday party than have a boring party. Bill would rather not hold a birthday party than have a boring party. Saya lebih suka tinggal di rumah daripada pergi keluar malam ini. I'd rather stay at home than go out tonight. I'd rather stay at home than go out tonight. Saya lebih suka kamu tinggal di rumah malam ini. I'd rather you stayed at home tonight. I'd rather you stayed at home tonight. Number 15. Guru kami lebih suka mengadakan tes minggu depan. Our teacher would prefer to have the test next week. Our teacher would prefer to have the test next week. Saya lebih suka liburan musim panas daripada liburan musim dingin. Gunakan prefer. I prefer summer vacation to winter vacations. I prefer summer vacations to winter vacations. Jack lebih suka mengerjakan PR-nya di rumah daripada mengerjakannya di perpustakaan. Jack prefers doing his homework at home to doing it in the library. Jack prefers doing his homework at home to doing it in the library. Kita lanjutkan. Kita lihat jawaban number 18. Saya lebih suka belajar sejarah daripada belajar biologi. I like studying history better than studying biology. I like studying history better than studying biology. Kamu lebih baik tidak terlambat datang ke rapat sore ini. You'd better not be late for the meeting this afternoon. You'd better not be late for the meeting this afternoon. Saya lebih suka mereka mengerjakan sesuatu daripada hanya membicarakannya. I would prefer they do something than just talk about it. I prefer they do something than just to talk about it. 21. Saya jauh lebih suka menelpon daripada mengirim email. Ada kata jauh di sini, kita bisa tambahkan much sebelum di tengah would rather. I'd much rather make a phone call than send an email. I'd much rather make a phone call than send an email. Number 22. Dia jauh lebih suka mereka tidak tahu apa yang sudah terjadi. She'd much rather they didn't know about what had happened. She'd much rather they didn't know about what had happened. Number 23. Apakah kamu lebih suka memasak atau makan malam di luar malam ini? Would you prefer to cook or to have dinner out tonight? Would you prefer to cook or to have dinner out tonight? Number 24. Kamu lebih baik segera kembali ke kelasmu. Memakai had better. You'd better go back to your class soon. You'd better go back to your class as soon as possible. Secepatnya. Kita lanjutkan dengan exercise selanjutnya. Oke, kita lihat number 25. Saya lebih suka belajar sejarah daripada belajar biologi. I like studying history better than studying biology. Saya kira kita lebih baik pulang sekarang. Memakai had better. I think we had better go home now. I think we had better go home now. 27. Apakah kamu lebih suka minuman anggur daripada bir? Do you prefer wine to beer? Do you prefer wine to beer? Number 28. Saya lebih suka kamu mengatakan yang sebenarnya. Memakai would rather. I'd rather you told me the truth. I'd rather you told me the truth. Number 29. Apakah kamu lebih suka dia tinggal di sini bersama kita? Would you rather she stayed here with us? Would you rather she stayed here with us? Number 30. Jennifer lebih suka tinggal di rumah malam ini. Jennifer would prefer to stay at home tonight. Jennifer would prefer to stay at home tonight. 31. Kamu lebih suka tinggal di rumah daripada keluar? Do you prefer staying at home to going out? Do you prefer staying at home to going out? 32. Saya tidak butuh tumpangan, terima kasih. Saya lebih suka jalan. I don't need a lift. Thanks. I'd prefer walk. I'd rather walk, sorry. I don't need a lift, thanks. I'd rather walk. Oke teman-teman, sekian dulu pelajaran di video kita kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Semoga bermanfaat bagi kalian. Saya minta maaf kalau ada yang salah-salah dalam penyampaian informasi. Dan sekali lagi, mohon dibantu dengan like, subscribe, share, dan komennya. Okay guys, see you on the next video and